Welcome to the Food and Flavors kitchen. This is the Kitchen Essentials series. Today we'll be looking at the different fats and oils that are used in cooking and their uses. First of all, we'll be looking at mustard oil, which comes from the eastern part of India and most of northern parts of India, where there's a lot of mustard crop that is grown. Mustard oil is has a very strong aroma to it. When you're using mustard oil, you will have to allow the mustard oil to smoke. When the essential oils crack and the aroma comes up, then spices can be added into it to be bloomed. There are various uses to the mustard oil, such as shallow frying, deep frying, and it's also used predominantly in chaats, which are Indian street food. It's a very nice and healthy oil, and it's a very acquired taste. So be very careful when you're using mustard oil, as it has a very strong aroma. Raw sesame oil or gingerly oil is made from crushed raw sesame seeds. The oil is extracted. It's got a very distinctive aroma to it, and it's predominantly used in South Indian cooking. It's got a very subtle aroma. The other oil which is very close to it is the toasted sesame oil, which is used in Asian cooking, where the sesame seeds are toasted and it's got a very nice and nutty aroma to it. But there are two variants in coconut oil. One is a virgin coconut oil, which is fresh crushed and cold pressed. The other one would be the normal coconut oil, which is dried coconut that is crushed and the oil is extracted from it. It's got a very distinct aroma, and it's used predominantly in cooking in Sri Lanka, India, Philippines, where there's a lot of coconut which is grown. Coconut oil is used in a lot of applications, both in culinary and cosmetics, and it's got a lot of health benefits to it. Ghee is traditionally butter that is clarified. It has got a lot of culinary uses in breads, in puddings. So it's got a lot of culinary uses in Indian cooking, and as well as in Middle Eastern food, where ghee is used in sweets and savory. Butter is milk that is churned, and the fat is extracted from the milk. It's a very nice and soft fat with a very distinct aroma to it. It's got a luscious texture, and it's used in both cooking and baking applications. And as Julia Child says, if you are afraid of butter, use cream. Butter is better. So butter is one of the most important fats when it comes to cooking, and it's got a beautiful aroma to it, and it enhances the dish that it touches.